Today we'll take a look at the Magnetic Helping Hands kit. We got our instructions. We got our static strap. So this we can limit the amount of damage that we're going to do to a sensitive board in the event that we built up a static charge. We got our soldering iron holder as a magnetic base, so you can just put that wherever the heck you want it. And here we got our rooks. So these are just board holders. You can see they got a point on the top, and this is all ceramic, so you don't have to worry about this making any kind of an electrical contact between the board and whatever you have this attached to. You can also see on here we got this knurled grip, and this can actually pull down so you can pinch the board in between those 2 points. So these are very nice. And we got a set of 4. Here we got our clamp. So you can see in there we got rubber pads, so we don't have to worry about damaging whatever we're going to be clamping to. And we got a 1/4 as well as a 3/8 thread, so we can put down whatever kind of an arm we got. Here we have got our arms, so they all have nice big magnets on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about them moving around, and you can adjust those whatever direction you want to. I also appreciate there's a couple different sizes here. Most of the time I end up using the shorts, but having the longer reach can come in handy if you ever need it. Here are the alligator clips and the thumb nuts, and it actually comes with 5, so we have an extra. So all we're going to do is drop this guy in and thread in that thumb bolt. I also appreciate that they actually put some insulation on there, so we're not going to be biting directly into the wires. And here's our magic arm. So these are pretty cool. You just got one knob. You can adjust this however the heck you want. And when you lock that down, this isn't going to move, and neither are either of the ends. So these are very handy. You can basically just put that head wherever you want it and lock this down, and that will stay there. And this is going to be for our clamp. So here's our magnifying glass. We actually have 2 different levels of magnification on that. There's a nice big magnet on the bottom of that guy, and it has an LED ring on the bottom. For the controllers on the cord, we got positive, negative, like temperature control, and on and off. Now it is USB powered, but they actually did throw in a power supply for that. So it says it's 100 to 240 volts, so it's good for a national or domestic, and it outputs 2 amps at 5 volts. Then we got our rubber feet, and that is for our platform. So nice, large, square platform. Most of these things are rectangular. This is actually going to give you a little bit more space. And we have a hanging hole, so you can hang the whole thing up on the wall when we're done. There does not appear to be any difference from top to bottom, so I will just throw my feet on this side. So very nice having all these accessories. Probably not going to need all of these all at once, but the fact that you got it means that you can tackle whatever the heck it is that you're going to be working on. So you can turn the brightness down and turn the brightness up, and we can change the color temperature to suit whatever is going to be most comfortable for our eyes. So solder on a couple of capacitors. And we've got 4 new contacts. So all I gotta do is trim those leads and we'll be ready to go. So yep, overall, that is a very nice station.